Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard number 950V. So the National Guard number 950 is a bump-up style threshold. Okay, the V stands for the fact that it is in the mill aluminum finish, just like what the threshold or the extrusion would look like when it comes from the mill. This is a bump-up style threshold, meaning that the door is intended to come in and bump up against the vinyl seal. And the 950V is going to feature vinyl here, which is a standard piece of material used in weather stripping for perimeter weather stripping, gasketing, door sweeps, thresholds like this. It's not the high performance kind of material like silicone or neoprene would be, but it is a typical material. This bump-up style threshold is also called a Latchtrack threshold because sometimes doors with exit device hardware like vertical rod exit device hardware, rather than install a strike down onto the threshold, they will actually use a feature of the threshold as that sort of situation. This one really isn't properly suited for that sort of installation, but nonetheless, that's where the term Latchtrack comes from. This is a little bit less common of a bump-up or Latchtrack style threshold because of the dimensions. You've got a 1/2 inch overall height. You've got, and there's an image below this video showing everything important dimensionally about it. Then you got a 1/4 inch down here. So 1/2 inch overall height, 1/4 inch from here down to the bottom of this rib. Okay, and what that really, forgive me, what that really means is if you have a standard hollow metal door, typically with a 3/4 inch undercut, this would not be the right threshold to use. However, if you have a flooring condition where you don't have a standard 3/4 undercut, and let's say that that's been reduced to, you know, 1/3 of that or 1/2 of that, 3/8 of an inch situation, this would be an appropriate one. A situation where you want a bump up style and maybe the concrete has risen up a little bit, which happens very typically, especially in cold climates. That outside concrete pad has a tendency to rise up a little bit. Whatever the condition might be, or aluminum storefront material might have a different undercut than a hollow metal door, and it does. It often does. Dimensionally, let's cover the rest of that. Sorry, I was about to move on. The width on this threshold is 5 inch, and that's also shown in the image below this video. So 5 inch overall width. That 5 inch is very common in terms of it being very compatible with aluminum frame depths or hollow metal, you know, frame depths, like typically 5 3/4 or 4 7/8, whatever the depth might be. Available in the mill finish, as you see here, and also a dark bronze from National Guard, and available in several different lengths as well. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicating in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is if you had to take this 48 inch piece and cut it down to say 44 inch, you'd eliminate that countersink there. Then the next one's all the way over here. And, you know, so you'll be stuck drilling another countersink after cutting it and coping it around the frame. But you're welcome to order it to whatever length you want, saving that work. Plus also, if you do, we'll locate that countersink in the proper distance from the edge, but also the proper center to center as well. National Guard is a full-line manufacturer of all things commercial weather stripping related. Very good quality customer service, good quality company, and dollar for dollar, you really can't go wrong. If you have any questions on the National Guard 950V, a Latchtrack or bump-up style threshold with a vinyl insert, or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.